Hi guys, I am your trainer Rajesh Singh and you are watching IANS tutorials. In this video, you are going to practice pronoun. Definition of pronoun. A pronoun replaces the noun in a sentence. A noun names a person, place, thing or idea. There are 8 types of pronoun. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. Let's learn first, that is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun substitutes a specific person or object. Subject: I, you, they, he, she, it, or we. Example: they went to school. They are personal pronoun in the sentence. In objective case, me, you, them, him, it, her, us. That is her cat. In the sentence, her is object. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun shows ownership of a noun. In possessive pronoun, we use my, your, our, his, her, its, theirs. Example: that is my cat. Is that your house? These are examples of possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun, independent possessive pronouns aren't followed by another noun. These are mine, yours, ours, his, hers, its, theirs. Example: the house is theirs. The cat is hers. These are independent possessive pronouns. Now, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns used when the subject and object of the sentence are the same. These pronouns refer back to the subject of the sentence. In reflexive pronoun, we use myself, yourself, ourself, himself, herself, itself, yourself, and themselves. Example: I want to buy myself a new car. He poured himself a drink. These are example of reflexive pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun. Reciprocal pronoun used when two or more people are doing the same thing. We use each other and one another in reciprocal pronoun. Example: the kids kicked the ball to one another. Fatima and Anna are talking to each other. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun connect a clause or phrase to a noun or pronoun. In the sentence, we use some words: who, whom, whose, which, where, when, why, what. Example: I don't know which hat to buy. In the sentence, which is relative pronoun. He didn't hear what you said. In the sentence, what is relative pronoun. Now, demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun used to point to the specific noun being mentioned. They can be singular or plural. We use in the sentence singular or plural words: these, this, those, that. Example: those shoes look great. These apples are red. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun take the place of a noun in a questions. We use who, whom, what, which, whose in interrogative pronoun. Example: what time will you arrive? Who is she talking to? In the sentence, what and who are interrogative pronoun. Now, guys, next pronoun, that is indefinite pronouns. In indefinite pronouns, we use to show unspecified people or objects. They can be singular or plural. Words are used in this pronoun: everyone, somebody, all, nobody, anything, few, many, something, anybody. Example, everyone had arrived. Anybody can come to the event. These are examples of indefinite pronouns, everyone and anybody. Thank you for watching this video. Bye. See you.